goodness. Thank you so much to the If you like what you see, why don't you think about subscribing? And make sure to check out my channel for videos just like this. So what is going on, people? Here we are on Mystic Mountain. See this beautiful, beautiful area. This is Jamaica, y'all, so don't worry about all that good stuff. This is Jamaica. You can see behind me, this is Jamaica too. We got mountains and everything. Beautiful. So yeah, beautiful place to be. And here we are about to do the bobsled Jamaica tour in Jamaica at beautiful Mystic Mountain. Crazy. I'm about to miss my groups. Here you go. Good boy, Justin. Peace.
Remember, 15-minute ride, okay?
Okay.
Shades on the phone, keep them safe going up, okay?
Okay.
All right, get ready. 1, 2, 3.
Ooh.
4 times the phone. We're good, man. We're good.
Moved down to Florida because I got tired of traveling down there. But yeah, I just, I don't know. This is just beautiful. Oh my goodness.
It is gorgeous. She's like, well, but this short notice, a lot of things are going to be booked. I said, that's why I'm coming here. You can tell me what's not.
Mm-hmm.
So I actually started a group, a private Facebook group for pelvic floor therapists, just so that we can kind of connect with each other, share ideas.
That's nice. Boy.
Right now, we're not stop. Go quickly. Go.
Oh.
Right.
Good, thank you.
Jamil, how much gets you have? Folks to the right, Bob said it is straight ahead. Do a fat folks.
Thank you. Oh my goodness! Woohoo! Oh my goodness! Woo! Whoa! Woohoo! Oh! So that was intense, y'all. I've done a lot of rides and roller coasters in the world, and that one was hands down one of the best I've done. I don't know how, but I broke my sunglasses literally. As soon as I put them in the locker, they just snap in half, so kind of sucks. But I have to buy some more when I get back on the ship. Wow. In Jamaica, and this is actually the Mystic Jamaican Pavilion. The bobsled ride was amazing, y'all. Like, if you come to Jamaica, you definitely gotta do that. Let's walk around. Thank you so much to the guy that told me to come up here, because wow.
Like probably less than 6 months after my stroke, and I booked it 6 weeks in advance because I was in a dogs actually ran around the city with me because I woke up early in the morning to run, and it came across.
This is so beautiful.
I know, and like I feel like the pictures just don't do it justice.
No.
Nice prices, man. Good price too, you know. Oh, here you go, Deb.
I wanted to give the dog the other food in my thing, but I didn't know what it was. I didn't want to make the dog sick and then throw up everything. I just gave it.
Yeah. It was so calm too. I just saw it. I'm like, man, they didn't bark, didn't do anything. It was just kind of just chilling. I'm like, man.
Yeah, it was, and like, it was so gentle taking the food from me too.
Yeah, I saw. I was like, wow, that dog. I wish I had a dog like that. Like, I don't have any animals, but if I did have an animal, I would love to have something like that.
My parents have 2 dogs, and we've had dogs since I was a kid, but then my aunt and uncles had dogs my whole life. So I've been around dogs my whole life, and finally the one guy was hiking on one of the trails, and he said, "Hey, I found your chute, but I can't get it because it's still stuck up in the treetops."
Yeah.
But so once they knew where it was, then they were like, I think they were legally obligated to go retrieve it somehow.
That literally is my worst fear. That's why I don't regularly skydive, because I'm just so scared. I don't trust anybody else but myself. So I definitely understand your brother. Wow.
Oh, is everything good?
It was great. Thank you.
Going to the right. Ready? Yep. 1, 2, 3, go. Watch your back now.
Oh.
All right. I want to see if I'm
Bobsled Jamaica. Here we are. Thanks for watching the video. If you like what you saw, please check out my channel for more videos just like this. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Until then, I'll see you next time. Peace.